Before I get started with this DIY video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of my projects. Also comment if you'd like to see specific ones or have questions about the products used. Okay, let's get into it. In this video, I will include where I purchased these products, rough estimates of price as well, and an exact breakdown of the 10 items needed to complete this look. To make this an event you and your guests won't forget, try adding a photo booth to the budget. Of course, it all depends on the event type, and in this case, it was a pandemic quinceañera, but definitely made the night memorable and gave the guests another thing to entertain themselves with. Items that I did not include in my list are the tables, chairs, and tablecloths. Luckily, the party was in a private area of a restaurant, and those were 3 less things that we had to worry about. I left the card box out of the 10 things you need list. However, if you like it, I'm going to go ahead and include that information in the description. I'm also going to include the crown that you see on top of the 2-layer cake. I thought it was cute. I think it fits perfect for a quinceañera or a sweet 16. So again, that information is going to be in the description. So this is the backdrop stand that I used. It was about $45 on Amazon. Comes with clips, and instead I use zip ties, make it a little bit more discreet. These are the sheer curtains. I got 2 of these. They were about $13 also on Amazon. And the string lights, these were amazing. They actually made the whole look pop at night. They were about $15 on Amazon. And the balloon kit I originally used, it's no longer available, but there's so many others that you can find. These were actually about $22, came with everything I needed except the pump. I had to get that separately, about $15 for the pump, and you will actually see that I used it on my safari theme party. And this is the table confetti that I used. It was a pretty large bag. I got this for $7 on Amazon. I was able to decorate all the tables using it. And I also purchased these butterflies. I thought they were super cute, just kind of to go with the quinceañera theme, spread them out. And those were about $6. These are the faux roses I purchased. It was like $20 a box, also on Amazon. Came with 25 pieces, and I got them in 2 different shades. It just brought the whole look together. I used them for the centerpieces. I put them in between the balloons for the balloon garland. Super cute. These are the display trays I used for the donuts. It came with 25 pieces, and they were about $15 on Amazon. The candy containers I also used. These actually came with 8, and it was a little under $10, also on Amazon. And the treat bags that I used to separate all of the donuts, especially during the pandemic. And this came with 100 pieces for $12. These are the party favorite boxes I used. They were customized. It was about 60 of them for $100 on Zazzle. And I even went as far as placing customized stickers on each of the party favors and creating name tags for the guests. For the centerpieces, I used the mason jars, and of course I tied little cute ribbons on them. Those were both from Walmart. It's like a 12 count for $8.98. And for the ribbons, it was like almost $2 for that whole roll that you see there. I also got these LED lights from Amazon. They were about $9 a letter, and I just got enough to spell out her name, just to add a little extra something to the decorations. As for the sweets, we definitely included lots of donuts and chocolates and Starburst, things that I knew my guests would enjoy. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit that notification button. Thank you.